Clearbrow, North Dallas, 22 Bronco with the stealth wrap or a matte wrap. This is the Expel stealth film, 10-year guarantee. Let's take a walk around this. It was a gloss black Bronco originally, so the stealth film goes over that and makes it a stealth black. So there's your original black, and when you put the stealth film or the matte film over it, it makes it a satin. Changes that tone, just as if that vet was to be wrapped. It would be that color but in a flat satin black. So let's take a look at this wrap all the way over, and paying close attention to making sure we get all of our edges wrapped so there's no gloss. So let's take a look, and we'll start up here with the hood. They chose to have their grill left untouched. It can be done, but I think that's a nice accent. You, the owner, can do what you want with your car. You know, leaving options gloss, leaving them stealth, whatever you want. So on this one, let's take a look. These pieces come off here, these tie downs or handles, whatever they are, so we can wrap all the way in here. Most programs allow for you not to, but we just remove them and wrap around the full hood. It gets fully wrapped, all the edges, corners, everything, so that we have a good look. These do come off, but we don't wrap them off the car. It's probably a little bit too difficult to pull on them. So what we do is keep them on the car, but we take them off for the fender so we can wrap all the way down. So we go underneath. Coming up, here's our front door and our fender. So everything fully wrapped in. Our handles are all fully wrapped around, all this. These belt moldings all the way underneath. Coming back, you can just see everything's nice and clean all the way down to that little rocker panel. But that stealth look on this black looks really nice. Whites, blacks, grays are usually your better colors, depending on the red, I guess. But red, blues, nah, they've never been a favorite. Not saying don't do them, it's just most people haven't liked the way it's turned out when they do those colors. Yellow's probably okay. Maybe the right green, like a lizard green or something on Porsche or something like that, the Lambos. Coming around this side, all this gets wrapped around, obviously. We don't have to take these out to get in there. There's a lot of work to take those out. And then coming around here, everything wraps up to here where the top sets. And obviously this is inside. If you wanted to make that stealth, you could. It just wasn't important. It was more important to make the face of this roll bar, just the face of it, not wrapping the whole thing, just what's visible. Stealth, but there's a lot of thick weldings and problems with the metal. So you can see that big bump, that's a bead where it popped off of the weld. Can't get that off. But so yeah, it's up to you what you want to do. Again, coming around the handles, all these fender flares, everything's wrapped in, no edges showing, all your doors, everything looks great. Doing our mirrors go in a little tricky, but we're able to get them all done, all tied up. We can't get in here, so maybe a touch of gloss deep inside this pocket. Other than that, everything looks really good. Other than that, the grill was left in gloss black just for a little hint of accent, and there it is. So 22 Bronco looking good. I think the stealth looks fantastic with the wheel package and the tint and everything they put on it. So there you go, clearbrownorthdallas.com, 940-703-8301. Have a nice day.